I have a PDF that simply refuses to open and keeps showing the "we can't open this file" error. If you ever face the same issue, don't worry. I will show you how to quickly fix a corrupted PDF using Systweak PDF editor. You can download it from the official Systweak website, or I will also add the download link in the description for your easy access. Simply open the corrupted PDF in Systweak PDF editor. When you do this, the software usually detects the issue automatically and shows a pop-up asking if you want to repair the file. Just click yes, and the tool will repair the PDF and save the working version in the same folder. If the pop-up doesn't appear, you can repair it manually. Go to the Tools tab, click on Repair PDF, click on Add Files, and select the damaged or corrupted PDF file. Hit Repair PDF now. The software will start fixing the file right away. Once the repair is complete, click on OK, and the corrupted PDF will be saved automatically. Now open the repaired PDF. You will see that it's working smoothly again. No errors, no strange symbols, no blank pages. If this video helped you fix your PDF, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and share this with anyone who might be struggling with corrupted files. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments.